Hello, I'm Ville and I'm heading to pick up my first van, and this is going to be my first episode of building the van. The plan is convert this van as a camper van, and this is going to be my first episode of cleaning and removing rusted parts of this van. First I start to remove the cockpit's partition. It's a little problem. These small screws. Let's see if we can get. Joo. There's some little oil leaks on some old owner. And next we are taking out all accessories and all panels that are covering the back space.
Sitten voi tehdä niinku vaikka tai jos mikään eri kunnolla. Turvatut. Mä muun. Jokainen kääntyy. No, se oli tällainen henkari. Niin.
Niin kuin nakkelee.
This side looks much better, definitely.
do as much work as on this side.
After we took out all the panels from the side, we started to remove the flooring from the backside, and we found there was big oil leak, maybe some gearbox fluid or oil that's covered all of the backside walls and the bottom, and it's really sticky stuff.
Joo. No, ei ollut monesti.
Siinä meni.
Tää on ihan oikeista märkä alta.
Used two different solutions for the cleaning. First, I just cleaned excess dust and stuff with airflow, and after that I tried dissolve the oil with petrol and a few different kind of soaps, and it helped quite, but there is still some dirt and oil that didn't come off, but maybe we get that off later on.
Pitää aurinko vie vielä kuivumaan.